So here's the deal. Your 3D is not the problem. Your checking is. And we'll go into that in just a few seconds. I wanted to just share that I'm off to explore New York City again with my little cousin, the 6-year-old. Her name is Pavi. So she's sitting on my bed, but I thought of you and I wanted to make this video. So, yeah, if you hear her, that's her in the background. So, you check your phone, you check your bank account, you check their Instagram stories like the world is dropping coded messages. You keep checking for your manifestation. Because if you really knew it was done, if you really trusted who you are, you would not need to check, right? Because checking is doubt in action. It's the old identity's way of asking, am I safe yet? Am I chosen yet? Can I relax now? And that old identity is not who you truly are. Checking feels like control. It feels like you're doing something. But what are you actually doing? You're reinforcing the belief that it's not done. You can't trust what you can't see. You need proof before you can chill out. It's like sitting in a movie theater, but every 2 minutes, you sprint up to the projection booth and you're like, hey, is the movie still playing? Are you sure? Did the reel change? When's the next scene coming on? And the whole time, the movie's playing. But you're missing it because you keep leaving your seat to check, right? So you're not enjoying the story in this scenario. What you're doing is you're trying to manage the projector. And that's tough. And I had this client once. She was, manifesting her specific person back. And she said she was relaxed, in the state, trusting. Those were her words. But she was also casually checked his, WhatsApp status like 27 times a day. And every time, if he was online and didn't text, there was some slow panic creeping in and slow reassurance. If he wasn't online, there was panic. If he posted something vague on Instagram, interpretation mode activated. And she said, well, why does the 3D feel like it's taking, forever? Because you're not letting it land, right? You're too busy trying to manage it. Checking is not neutral. Every time you check, you're coming from a state that says, I don't trust that it's done. And what does the 3D mirror back? That very doubt. That very doubt. The truth of who you are, which is the version of you who knows that it's yours, they're not checking. And that's the only real version. They're living, breathing, chilling like a villain, walking through their day like, yeah, what's the big deal? Like, life is going my way. Like, why wouldn't it be? And they're not caring about what specific thoughts they're thinking also. Even the Bhagavad Gita says, be steadfast in yoga, O Arjuna. Perform your duty and abandon all attachment to success or failure. And what that means is do what you do, trust the unseen. When you trust, you automatically stop checking for results. Well, there's this from the Bible, right? Like, faith is the evidence of things not seen. Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1. Because faith is not about checking for proof. Faith is the proof. So right now, just pause. Feel the urge to check, to monitor, to micromanage. Just breathe and ask yourself, if everything was already going my way, what would I stop checking? Just notice that. You're not trying to feel something special. Just notice what surfaces. Is it ease, silence, that trust that doesn't need validation? That's your real self. That's awareness. Doesn't need proof. From there, you manifest with zero effort. So the next time this urge hits to check, next time you feel that pull to check, just pause, breathe, and remember, the 3D is not the problem. Your checking is, and that too a temporary problem. And when you stop checking, you stop doubting, you start resting, you start living life because you know it has always been in your favor, because it is. And you can always come back to the guided question, what do I know of this moment, without accessing any labels? That is your ultimate identity, where your desires arise from, because it allows you to relax the resistance and helps you move in this world without any pushback. And that's how you get to chill like a villain. And if you want to explore one of my mini courses to help you relax your fixer self, you can check out my Unwind course. And yes, if you want to see through your story patterns, it's not going to take you years and years to see it. We're not digging into unlimited beliefs. We see clearly through the illusion, very directly. No nonsense and no belief required. That's where my one-on-one experiential coaching comes in. And you can find the details in the link below. And I love to see and read your comments, any of your insights. I'll see you there.